Lee Pesky Learning Center developed these 2 learning mats to give young children and parents a fun and engaging way to learn important foundational literacy skills. Our first mat has 5 ideas for parents on one side and a rhyming game on the other.
So when we play this game, this fish only likes things that rhyme. Oh, fish on the dish, what is your wish? I want something that rhymes with wagon.
Dragon.
Where's the dragon? You see it? Good job.
Our next mat will help your child learn the alphabet letters and sounds. This is another important predictor of reading success. Start with letter names, such as the letters in your child's name. You can also slowly sing the alphabet song and point to the letters as you sing. Eventually, your child can do the pointing.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G,
W, X,
Y, and Z.
Y, and Z.
Good job. Now you know your ABCs.
On the back are ideas for letter identification, such as playing I Spy, the coin toss game, or matching the letters.
I love to play the coin drop game, and it goes like this. You just hold up the coin, and then you drop it, and you see what letter you got. And it looks like I got a V. See what letter you get.
Z.
Z for zipper. Nice job.
You can play any of these games with letters and with the sounds the letters make. If you say, I spy the letter M, and your child points to a mouse, you can say, great! M makes the sound like mouse. When your child is ready, play I Spy with the sounds like this.
I spy a letter that makes the sound Good job. Your turn.
I spy a letter that has the sound K.
Oh boy. Is it this one?
Yes!
Is that one?
More ways to emphasize sound awareness are listed on the mat. For example, you can create tongue twisters such as dogs dig in the dirt, emphasizing the D sound.
Juicy jars of jelly.
Juicy jars of jelly.
Isn't that fun to say? So see if you can say it really fast. I'm going to try.
Juicy jars of jelly.
Good job.
You can invite your child to clap the syllables, which also helps with sound awareness, such as pumpkin, pumpkin. Down the road, this skill will help with spelling.
What one do you want to clap? Okay.
Octopus.
Good job. I'm going to try this one. Mouse. Just one clap.
You can use the pictures to make rhymes. What rhymes with mouse? Or give a child a made-up word like tiger and ask your child if they can find something in the bottom row that rhymes with it, like the picture of the tiger. On the back is a blank game board.
Let's do some letters on here.
My name.
Yes, you knew. I'm going to put my name too. So let's start here where it says go. Do you see that? Geo says go.
1, 2, 3.
And you have to name the letter. What is it?
I.
Good. What sound does I make?
E.
Good job.
At the bottom of both mats are websites with many other resources. For more information about our products and services, visit Lee Pesky Learning Center at lplearningcenter.org.